Hello weird and wonderful people, my name is Malachi Frost and welcome to the video. Today's video takes place on the floor. If this is your first time on the floor, you're going to realize pretty quick that things are a little different down here. It's a lot more casual. We've got pajamas and big fluffy boots. So we're on the floor today because we're building ourselves a new office chair. I've had the old chair now for about 5 years, and if you've been on streams over on Twitch, you would have heard me complaining about the elbow support, the neck support, the back support. So for my birthday this year, we're getting an upgrade, we're getting a new chair, and I'm going to try and build it all by myself as part of the Malachi Does Things While Wifey's Not Home series, which is guaranteed to go well. So this is the box, and I can only imagine good things are going to happen. I wasn't sure what tools I was going to need, so I just grabbed a bunch of tools that I thought I might need. This might just be used to open the box, but if a piece is too big, it's better to be prepared than unprepared. Fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Yes, I am wearing my glasses again, because I actually need to see what I'm doing. And as I said, down on the floor, we're a little bit more casual than we are when we're up on top of the table. Also, I do not recommend using this. I'm going to cut through my damn chair. But it's efficient at opening boxes. Imagine if it was like Indiana Jones' Raiders of the Lost Ark, right? And they hid the Ark inside a box sent to Officeworks. And I just opened it and turned to dust. Like, ah! So that's the back bit with some nice blue trim. I got this for comfort reasons, but if I'm going to get a chair for comfort reasons, it might as well have style points as well. Let's just get all the parts out, and then we'll go from there. Got everything out of the box now, and we've got our instructions, which is about 1 million pages thick. So that's our part list. Okay, well, remember that. Step 1, find the starfish. Now, do these just click in? Please just click in. Alright, theoretically, that works. Alright, that's the wheels. Now what? This thing? And, whoops, did I break it? Ah! I already feel like I'm breaking shit. Alright, well that is greasy. Don't touch that end. Very greasy. Does that just sit there? No. Surely that doesn't just sit there, does it? Okay, I'ma believe you. Millions wouldn't. And that goes on like that. Okay. Step 2 has nothing to do with the starfish. Step 2 is the butt panel. All the tools required came in this neat little package, which is very handy, but I'm a little bit upset I don't get to use all the tools. I spent ages finding them. Let's just get all the screws out and mix them together. That's a great idea, Malachi. You're a genius. All right. Warning, do not remove this label. I can't remove the label. You printed it on the damn chair. What does it say? Do not stand on this chair. Don't tell me what to do. You watch, I'm going to end this video standing on the chair. And then Wifey's going to see the video and she's going to yell at me for breaking my chair. Do not sit on the armrests. Alright, that one I agree with. I don't think I want to sit on the armrests. Do not use this chair unless all bolts, screws, and knobs, knobs, are firmly secured. Well, I guess that last bit's down to me, isn't it? Seeing as I'm building the damn thing, if I fall off, it's probably my own bloody fault. At least every 4 months, check all bolts, screws, and knobs to be sure they are tight. I have never done that with my other chair. Failure to follow these warnings could result in serious injury. Yeah, like the gas pressure bit shooting up the bottom through your bunghole. That's step done. What's next? This thing goes on the back. Which way around does it go? You gonna tell me? I think my first impressions of the chair when I sit on it are gonna be slightly skewed, only because it is remarkably uncomfortable sitting on the floor building it. But when I eventually sit on the chair, it's gonna feel amazing. Next step, flip it over. Much better. Now what do I do? Ugh. Instructions, help me. find those parts. I don't think I've seen them parts. Where are them parts? Alright, I found them parts. They're in a box labeled accessory box. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't think that crucial things to the building of my chair would be accessories. You know what I mean? Like, I assumed they would be crucial parts to your chair, not accessories. I didn't even open that box. I thought it was going to be like different colored panels or something. Nope. Very important. Now, what am I doing with them? Match what you're doing to the picture. Much easier. So I, which is this one, it has a fruit roll up in it. The holes line up there, but then the holes also line up that way. I'm gonna go this way, and I think that's right. Am I confident? Nope. Those bits are on. Next step. What? Oh, it's just the little plastic cover bits. These things. Okay, I can do that. I swear, building comfortable chairs is the most uncomfortable thing in the world. What? How the frick am I meant to do that? The hole's tiny. Yeah. Where's my tool? I lost the tool they gave me. I'm gonna have to use my own tools. Using the hacksaw to try and hit the screwdriver over to me. That, boys and girls, is how you ruin your carpet. Oh, we're putting the backrest on now. This seems like an important step. It doesn't fit between the... Oh, going that way, Malachi. Freaking genius you are. Shit. Step 1, study the design and the instructions to figure out what we're doing. Step 2, try to find a comfortable position to actually do the step. Third step in the great big book of everything with everything inside is to try and find a way that actually works. I'm not sure where on my list of steps is give up and call wifey. It's on the list. It's definitely a step, but it's not a step that I want to do if I can avoid it. I found the tool they gave me and it is so much easier, which I'm both happy that I found the tool they gave me and upset that the tools that I had carefully chosen just aren't up to standard. Never hold screws in your mouth because your body and your saliva will break down the metal and you can make the metal levels in your blood too high and you can get poisoned. I'm allowed to do it because I'm a sword swallower and I think I'm pretty much screwed already. I skipped a step. Finally got the back on. Next step. What are you? Little cappy things. Little cappy things I am good with. That seems like a much easier step than getting the back on was. Just put the cappy thing in. Oh, come on. Ah! It's my baby. Friggin' heavy and pointy. Like all babies should be. You have a baby that's not heavy and pointy. Then you obviously didn't get your baby from Officeworks. Cappy thing step is done. Ugh, my baby's getting so big now. And much harder to work with. Okay, I'm back. The battery on the camera died, so I charged it for like 5 minutes. So hopefully we can get the rest of this done before it dies again. We're up to putting the starfish on. I'm a little bit confused because it kind of just looks like the starfish just sits there. Like, does it not click in or something? Maybe if I stand it up. Does standing it up work? And then if I sit on it, I'm guessing it's secure. How do I make it go psh? Next step is putting on the cushions. The most important step is cushions. Welcome to not being on the floor anymore. Slightly less casual now because we're off the floor. But I had to change it so that we could do the cushions. I'm going to think this through and do this a little smarter. And do it this way rather than try and do it while I'm sitting on it. Oh, damn it! Alright, so that's them there. But don't get me wrong, I like it, but I think that back cushion's a little high. Damn it! These ones go to here. This one goes to here. And then adjust to where required, which is going to be maybe there. Now I get to sit on it. And there's going to be a little bit of adjustment period while we get the lean I want on it and figure out where everything needs to be. So it could just be that I've been sitting on the floor for the past 2 hours, but this is way more comfortable than just sitting on the floor. And a lot more comfortable than my old chair. It really wasn't that hard to build. If I was standing up and had it on like the dining table, I would have been able to build it really easily. It was only because I was trying to sit on the floor and kind of build it on my lap that it was a little tricky. We've done it now. We've built a chair. I have neck support, arm support, and back support. It is so much more comfortable than our other chair, which is the whole point. If you enjoyed spending time on the floor with me today, please do leave a like on the video. Comment down below with your thoughts on the chair or your thoughts on the floor. But for right now, as always, Frost Squad, have a good day, have a good life, and I'll catch you all down the road.